Hello friends, I am very sure Monday onwards till the Friday, that is 16th of October, there are many companies, good companies which are declaring their results. I am talking about some of the companies, who in the previous quarter, that means in Q1, April, May, June, had given very good results, and hope that this thing will, their delivering good results will continue. Rather, I think they will be definitely improving their performance. So in these series, first of all, let us check with one company, IT company, and that IT company is actually Infosys. Friends, as you can see, Infosys here, Infosys has already given say up to 1120. Actually our target earlier was 1050, then it crossed that, went to 1120, and I think by the time the results of this Infosys are declared on 14th, mind you, 14th October is the date. I am very sure that it will cross 1150. So just keep a check. I wish that you really buy it, but at the same time, please keep one thing also in mind, that somewhere around 950 it had given a buy signal. You can see the cross here, it had given a buy signal at 955, and 955 to 1155, this is roughly about 20-22% profit it will give, in say couple of days. And how many days? Let us check in about say 1 month's time only. So 22%. So what I want to say is it has already moved. So chances are that after the result, 2 days after the result, the share is likely to fall. So just keep a check on this, that 1150 is our target. Then I call this Infosys always as Desi Murgi and Vilayati Anda, because the most of the revenues of this Infosys, they are coming from abroad. US dollar it brings. So a lot of importance actually is attached to this. And then there is one more share, that is Tata LXI. If you see the share of Tata LXI for the last about 1.5 year, for about say 6 quarters, it is giving excellent results. Nevertheless, here it has given a buy signal at this cross, and buy signal was 1360. It has not gone much up, and therefore I think that when the results of Tata LXI will also come on 14th October, it can go up to 1475. And see, if you just try and cross check, right from 28.7 to now say 14.10, in 2.5 months, it has considerably gone up. So once again I will say that looking at this kind of run up in the share, you need to keep a check at 1475. Nevertheless, the day the results are out, actually I believe you must really sell it. So this Master Blaster, actually Tata LXI, you have to quit as soon as the results are out, maybe the next day, but I think better is that you quit one day before that. Then is, friends, the DEN Network. DEN Network has been giving an excellent results for a couple of quarters, but this share needs to be purchased only say about 10-15 days time or a week's time before the results. You can see that after the result there is a fall of it. Now it has just gone up, and I think I am talking about this DEN Network for quite some time. It has come down to about 75 also 4 days back. And the target of DEN Network, friends, let me check, it is I think up to 87 only. And the day the results are out, friends, you must definitely sell this. This is the say target which is coming 85 or 86. So you have to be very careful that 86, 87 is the target for this, and you must really sell it at about maximum is 87. Find this DEN Network, incidentally, is a Reliance group of companies. Then there is one share which is I call them as Sing is King. This is from another IT company, and the results of HCL Tech will be out on 16th of October. Friends, if you really see, let us check with the run up before the results. It had given the buy signal on 709, and after that it has given already 15%. I so believe that it can go up to 900 till the 16th of October when the results are due. And just let me check also with this, although this so far RSI has not shown really up, it will go up by that time. And also this is in the RSI is showing, that it is in the overbought zone. So just keep a check on this. Have a target of 9 on this HCL Technologies, a target of 900, and you must really quit immediately after the results. Friends, what I want to tell you, this is the first type of series which I have come through, and immediately maybe in 2 days time I will give you some more stocks for this second quarter, that means up to 17th, and then we will go on to the third quarter, because third quarter again is giving very promising, some of the very promising companies will be delivering the results. Friends, what I want to tell you here is that it is very important that the result season is encashed, so you have to be really alert. You have to be really alert, and whenever the results of one company is out, please sell that, and at the same time is go on the second company, go on the third company, because after 1 or 2 days time of the results, the share will start falling because the news actually will be over. So I am giving you the clue. You have to take an action, make a smart move, make a smart money, smart profit before the results or immediately after the results. Friends, thank you very much, and have a nice evening.